Good morning and welcome to KFS Trade Capital, the Khandwala integrated venture presenting important updates from market in India and around the world. This is Asavri here from Advisory Desk. First, let's take a quick glance at global market. The US stocks rose on Friday and also posted gains for the week, boosted by a surge in Boeing shares. President Donald Trump plans to reopen the coronavirus battered economy and hopes of a potential drug by Gilead to treat coronavirus. Cautious gripped the Asian shares market on Monday on expectations of a busy week of a corporate earning reports and economic data that will drive home the damage done by the global virus lockdown while the US crude prices took an early spill. Trends on SGX Nifty indicate negative opening for broader index in India with a loss of 52 points. Nifty futures were trading around 9256 level on Singaporean exchange. Crude oil futures fell in electric trading session on Sunday evening with US futures touching levels not seen since November 2001, extending last week's weakness on the back of sliding demand because of the coronavirus pandemic that has killed more than 1,64,000 people worldwide. Forex KT swells $1.82 billion to $476.5 billion. Let's take a look at few important headlines. FPI pulls out sum of total 12,650 crore in April due to coronavirus turbulence. New FDI rules bar automatic investments by neighboring countries in policy targeted at China. RBI measures to help facilitate funds to NBFC sector are likely to boost the credit flow to the broader economy as NBFCs would shore up their own liquidity rather than on lending customers, says a Moody Investors report. China cuts the benchmark rate for second time this year. On institutional level, FIIs sold shares worth rupees 1391 crore while DIIs bought shares worth rupees 534 crore on April 17th. Lastly, let's take a look at few stock specific. Apollo Tyres board approved to issue NCDs on private placement basis aggregating to rupees 1000 crore. Jubilant Life Science company issued commercial papers of rupees 100 crore. HDFC Bank reported 1.7% year-on-year rise in a net profit at rupees 6,927 crore. The net interest income for the quarter climbed to 15,204 crore from 13,089 crore. Ajanta Pharma shuts down Dahej plants as precautionary measures. Muthoot Finance Company will reopen all its branches across the country from April 20 and will ensure the safety of its customers. TVS Motor announced an acquisition of Britain iconic sporting motorcycle brand Norton in all cash deal. And lastly, Tata Motors British armed Jaguar Land Rover temporarily suspends production at its facilities outside China. Thank you. That's all from my side. Have a safe trading and stay safe. Thank you.